This is Ian from Lean Media. I'm going to walk you through how to create a Black Friday Cyber Monday discount for 2025 on Amazon Seller Central. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. So we are in the price discounts area of Amazon Seller Central. What I'm about to show you is different than the way that these discounts were created in the past for Black Friday Cyber Monday. To get to this particular page, go to the hamburger menu, upper left corner, go to advertising, and then go to price discounts, and you'll come to this page. If you want to see if you've already created some sort of price discount using this tool, click on the events. Events are things like you can see Black Friday, July 4th Prime Day, stuff like that. In this case, let's assume that I didn't already create a Black Friday Cyber Monday discount. I'm going to create a Prime discount, upper right corner, and then I'm going to follow this particular workflow. So first thing, choose the market you're going to be doing your Black Friday Cyber Monday discount in. Select the account, and then event. You need to select this if you want Amazon to help you promote it on those particular holidays. Now, you can just do a normal price discount and not select the event. The problem is that Amazon won't kind of include your product in the special Black Friday, Cyber Monday promotions that they put out during this period, which are pretty big because a lot of people like to shop during that time. So in this particular case, I'm going to select Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Note that there's an event fee of $245. This is different than in years past. I can't remember what it was last year, but it wasn't $245. However, you can include multiple products in the promotion, which is what many people will do. Discount type can be fixed price or percentage off. So let's say that I just wanted to take $4 off. So I'm gonna do $4 off, and then I'm gonna do BFCM 2025 blue discount. And the reason why I say blue discount is because of the packaging on this particular product. Okay. So then next step, add products. Lower right hand corner, press that button. So what you'll need to do is to search your catalog. I'm just going to paste in an ASIN and search for it. Note that there are two particular items here. One of them is FBA, one of them is FBM, fulfilled by merchant. So let's say that I'm going to do the FBM version of this. I'm going to click the add. I selected it, and then I clicked the add button. And then step 3, set discounts and committed units. Okay, this is where things get a little bit tricky. So the first thing you need to understand is the price preview. This is the discount with a 17% off exclusive price. That's interesting because they selected 17% off and they didn't let me choose a separate discount. But regardless, notice that it gives this particular price. If this price is lower than what you expected, like let's say that you were expecting the price to be no lower than $24.99, what the issue probably is that you've had a discount on Amazon in the past month or so, and Amazon will use the discounted price in the recent 30 days to determine what the discounted price will be at Prime Day. And I think the reason they do this is because they want to prevent people from messing around with sales or discounts too much, and they want to give their customers the best possible price. So let's say that this is okay with me. The price preview is $23.19. If I want to, I can change this slightly to $22.99 in case I'm running in case I want to offer this particular price, which I do, or there's some other thing that I want to take into consideration. For instance, another type of discount that I have going on. Committed units. Now it says in stock. I don't have any yet, but let's say that I knew that I was going to have 100 units available within 2 weeks. So I could say 100 units, and then at this point, all I need to do is click the submit button, and then Amazon will process this particular Black Friday Cyber Monday discount, and assuming there's no problems, it'll make it available, and it will charge me $245 for running this particular discount. But basically, that's how you create a Black Friday Cyber Monday discount on Amazon Seller Central in 2025. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.